Hi, hello everyone, and welcome back again to my YouTube channel. And for today, of course, I am going to say thank you to our sponsor, North Idaho BackHills BBQ sauce. And today, I am going to make you a fantastic dish that is called hot Habanero with North Idaho barbecue sauce with chicken. I can't wait to share it to you. I will be right back because we're going to start cooking. And for starting, we have half of chicken here right in front of me. Yeah, usually what I do, I love to wash my chicken, especially when it comes to poultry. You want to really wash them very good, especially into their cavities. You want to put all that lemon. This is 4 ounces of just regular white vinegar, and I also pour that as well. All right, at this point we had put the lemon and the vinegar. So now, time to marinate them. Wash your hands all over again and all over. You see my rings? Doesn't she look pretty? Okay, fine. Time to put our skillet into medium-high heat, like so. So this is 4 ounces of regular cooking oil. And for the flavoring, we have a tablespoon of ground black pepper. We have a tablespoon of Himalayan salt. Sprinkle again all over. So after washing my hands, touching my poultry, I am going to put 4 ounces of butter into our skillet, like so. So while we're waiting to a butter to melt, I'm already gonna cut a whole red onion, and this is a large size of red onion. What I love about this dish is when I made it, it's like, oh, it's going to be super hot. But then, not really, because when I took off the seed from the serrano peppers, it's not really going to be hot. But the flavor, oh dear, it's so lovely. And you're going to cut this. You wait on that to be cooked for 2 minutes. There are a lot of things that you can make in this barbecue sauce. Why? Because the flavoring is so natural. That's because it's homemade. You do not even gonna use a lot of ingredients in this cooking show. Why? Because this barbecue sauce will provide it. After cooking our onions for 3 minutes, we're going to add few bay leaves and of course our serrano peppers. Here we go. So let this be cooked for 5 minutes. Now it has been few minutes. Now it's time to add our barbecue sauce. This is 14 ounces of our barbecue sauce, but make sure you mix them very well. And you pop it open, put that in your skillet like so. We keep it in the medium-high heat and you stir it. Time to add our chicken on the center like so. And cover it with the sauce. Let it be cooked for 25 minutes with cover. And we'll check on it. Look at our chicken. She is sitting so dashingly. Let's keep this into another boiling point for another 15 minutes. And do not forget to cover. I am going to add fresh parsley. And we close this back again. And I will be right back because we're gonna flip it again for 4 more minutes. And time to flip our half chicken. Look at that. Give that another 10 minutes. Again, I want to say thank you to our sponsor from North Idaho, BackHills BBQ sauce. trust me, are going to love it the same way I love them. And the flavoring on their barbecue sauce is to die for. But let me show you how it looks now, yeah? And I'm going to just transfer this into my cutting board. And I'm gonna start chopping. Nah. Look at this. This is going to be like super fantastic. And thank you again for watching your Chef Coco Cruz here on YouTube channel. Please subscribe. And I love you all. Wow. You guys are going to love this. Akin ka na lang, giliw. This for recipe. You know, the raptor will mess with the poultry and they get into your skin and stuff like that. It's gonna smell like chicken. Kapag ikaw ang katabi, laman ng puso ko